In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new organization in Zoho Books, delivering a full guide for 25 to ensure you can handle this task with confidence. Let's dive right into the process, starting from the Zoho Books dashboard. Initially, when you log into your Zoho Books account, you'll be brought to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your organization-related activities. This is where you'll find all your invoices, reports, and essential data at a glance. Once you're on the dashboard, you should click on the organization option. This move transitions you to a more detailed view, specifically tailored to managing your organization's settings and preferences. Next, you'll be clicking on the Manage option. This button is your key to overseeing the settings and configurations unique to your business needs. Here, you can streamline operations, modify user roles, and access various organizational tools that Zoho Books offers. Once you're ready, move forward by clicking on New Organization. This initiates the process of setting up a fresh organization profile within the Zoho Books ecosystem, creating a space distinct from any existing organizations you may already have. You will be presented with choices either to clone settings from an existing organization or to start from scratch. Cloning is a practical option if you have predefined settings that resonate with your business model, saving you time configuring these again. But if starting fresh seems more appropriate, choose to add a new organization. When you decide to create this new organization, be prepared to input specific details about it. You'll begin by typing in the organization name. This is the title under which your business operations will be recognized and accessed. Following that, you'll need to select the location of your business operations. This detail is crucial as it often influences tax implications and region-specific settings within your account. Continuing with the setup, the next step involves selecting an industry that best describes your organization's activities or services. Accurate industry selection ensures that Zoho Books aligns its features to better suit industry norms that might benefit you. We then move on to regional settings, where you'll select the correct currency, language, and time zone. Proper configuration here simplifies your financial transactions and reporting processes. As you finalize these initial settings, you'll need to select your tax preferences. These settings are pivotal as they affect how your financial data is processed and reported. After configuring these settings, you'll click on Get Started, which essentially confirms the creation of your new organization in Zoho Books. Once your organization is set up, you can manage it actively. Whether it involves tracking financial health, generating reports, or tweaking settings, this new organizational profile will accommodate your business activities henceforth. By following these steps, managing your organization's intricate details becomes a straightforward and efficient task within Zoho Books.